Welcome to Business Time. I am Melisha. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Today, we will be looking at the functions of financial regulatory bodies. Some financial regulatory bodies that we're going to be looking at are Central Bank, Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation, and the Financial Services Commission. Let's look at the central bank. The central bank is an independent national authority that conducts monetary policy, regulates banks, and provides financial services, including economic research. And a key thing to note is that every country has a central bank. For example, the central bank in Jamaica is called the Bank of Jamaica. Some core functions of the central bank includes 1. It has its monetary policy where it implements certain actions to maintain price stability. For example, the Bank of Jamaica's monetary policy is geared towards achieving the medium-term continuous inflation target of 4.0% to 6.0%. This inflation level is considered to facilitate sustained growth and development in Jamaica. Some monetary policy tools used by the bank includes things like setting a reserve requirement. This is the amount of cash that banks must have on hand. The central bank uses it to control how much banks can lend. Another one is that they use open market operations to buy and sell securities, such as bonds from banks. The Bank of Jamaica engages in weekly lending operations with the banks. The central bank also sets targets on interest rates they charge their member banks. This guides the rates for loans, mortgages, and bonds. Raising interest rates slows growth, preventing inflation. Another function of the central bank is that the bank has the sole right and authority to issue notes and coins in the country. The bank arranges for the printing of notes and the minting of coins for circulation. Another function of the central bank is that it seeks to prevent financial or economic problems or shocks by ensuring there is financial system stability. The bank has the power to request the inspection of any financial institution, as well as the power to issue rules and standards to address systematic risks and imbalances in the financial system that could threaten stability. Another function is that the bank regulates the financial system by supervising deposit-taking institutions such as commercial banks, merchant banks, and building societies. The Banking Services Act and related regulations provide a standardized legal framework for the operations of the licensed deposit-taking institutions. The bank can also obtain information on the operations of credit unions. The aim is to promote the safety and soundness of banks. If you want to get additional information about the Bank of Jamaica, you can go to boj.org.jm. Let's look at the second financial regulatory body, which is Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation, JDIC. The Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation was created by the government of Jamaica to protect depositors and promote stability and confidence in Jamaica's financial system. The primary objective is to establish and manage a deposit insurance scheme to protect depositors from loss up to a specified limit. The functions of JDIC are to provide insurance against the loss of deposits, manage the deposit insurance funds, and issue policies of deposit insurance and levy premiums. The Deposit Insurance Act provides that JDIC must pay out of the deposit insurance fund up to the prescribed coverage limit of $1,200,000 per depositor or customer per institution. And take note that this is in case the bank fails or is unable to make payment to its customers or depositors. You can get further information on the Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation at www.jdic.org. Let's look at the final financial regulatory body, and that is the Financial Services Commission, FSC. The FSC was created to oversee the regulation of insurance, pension, and securities industries. The FSC has power to supervise, investigate, and sanction entities that it supervises. The FSC has responsibility to manage proper administration of the securities and insurance laws. It oversees the registration, solvency, and conduct of firms and individuals doing business in the securities and insurance industries, such as securities dealers, investment advisors, mutual funds, unit trusts, insurance companies, insurance agencies. So all of these are under the control of the Financial Services Commission. All right, that is it for the functions of financial regulatory bodies. Hope you learned something. See you next time.